Welcome to this BI Quick Tip. For more information on the BI tool, please visit our Help Files website. In this video, we'll walk you through how to quickly change the sort order of your columns. This will allow you to see ascending or descending orders for your columns easily. Let's get started. Starting from our dashboard, we'll hover over any column that we would like to change the order for. Next, we'll click on the arrow here. This will change our column to an ascending order, meaning that it starts with the lowest value and ends with the largest value. If we click on the arrow again, it will change our column to a descending order. This means that it starts with the largest value and ends with the lowest value. You can do this for any other column that you choose. To sort multiple columns at a time, simply hold the Shift key down on your device and select 2 or more columns. You can see the changes in real time. Feel free to do this with as many columns as you choose. To undo any changes you made, simply click on the reset icon here. Then, click on Reset. This will reset your dashboard back to default. And that's it. By using the sort feature, you can quickly organize your data in a way that makes it easier to analyze or understand. Whether you're looking for the highest or lowest value, this will help get you there in just a few clicks. Thank you for watching this video on the BI Quick Tips series. For more information on BI, please visit our Help Files website. Until next time.